Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome to my channel. Ako pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong bonus love reading. And the reason why gagawa ko ng bonus love reading ay dahil papasok na ang Aries season at I'm an Aries. So, happy birthday sa ating mga Aries. Okay? So, itong reading na ito ay para sa lahat ng fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay? And tingnan natin ano yung masasagap kong energy from the collective. Alright? At habang binabalasa ko ito, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius na patuloy na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated. Saka gusto kong humingi ng pasensya at paumanhin sa nakaraan kong reading na may technical issue pala. So, naka-receive ako ng maraming feedback na hindi maayos yung audio. So, mahirap intindihin, may echoes, and also late ko na realize naman na mali yung placement ng mic, kaya siya nagkaganon. Pero despite that, sana patuloy nyo pa rin supportahan ng aking channel. So please continue to support by liking this video. It helps the channel grow, and I'm working on it, yung setup ng mga readings ko. So, and trying my best talaga to provide you good quality naman na readings, yung videos and audio. Kaya patuloy niyo pong supportahan para mag-grow ang aking channel. Pag nag-grow ang aking channel, may improve ang aking setup at makakapag provide pa ako ng maraming love readings sa inyo na mas maayos ang video and audio. Okay? So, yun po. Muli maraming salamat, at sa mga bago, sana patuloy niyo supportan niyo rin po. Yes, patuloy niyo supportan, and supportan nyo by subscribing to this channel, and comment na rin sa baba kung mag-resonate itong reading na ito. Okay, so bubunot ako ng dalawang cards from this deck. That would be the overall energy of this reading. Tapos, alamin natin yung detalye ng reading using the other deck. So, I'll get the third card. I'll march ngayon. Okay, the Moon. Alright. And Page of Cups. Okay. Alright, so you might be dealing with Pisces. Okay. Merong ito ito yung nasasagap ng energy. Between you and your person, and first, this is someone na medyo younger sa inyo. And there's also a possibility for this deck kasi yung deck na ginamit ko for these two cards. Yung itong Page of Cups na to has a representation na it may be a same gender relationship, but doesn't have to. So if you're in a same gender relationship or situation, so this may resonate. But what I see here with the Moon card is merong someone is being secretive. There's an information na parang hindi pa nire-reveal sa inyo. But I can sense na sooner than later, malalaman nyo or ma-figure out niyo ano ba yun. Okay? I also see here that this person, madami siyang insecurities. Okay? So, ang nakikita ko rin dito sa The Moon card, because of that insecurities ng person ninyo is, parang ang pinaproject niya is na ito okay lang lahat, or na yung tinatry niyang hindi ipakita yung mga insecurities, kaya medyo nagiging egoistic siya. Okay? But yeah, and may very young energy din kasi ito eh. So, versus sa inyo, kahit sabihin na natin na yung there's an age difference, but kahit sabihin natin na older na siya sa point of view ninyo. Okay, pwedeng hindi, and kayo kasi syempre, you're more experienced na ganyan. So kahit sabihin natin, example lang to na 50 na kayo, tapos siya 40. Diba? Pero sa point of view ng iba dapat ang 40 very mature na in a relationship. But, posible na at 40, para sa inyo, hindi pa siya mature enough. Okay? And, and mas common talaga pag mas younger. Lalo na pag magkaiba kayo ng generation. Like, you're a millennial, tas Gen Z siya. So, may differences din talaga sa point of views. And, ang nakikita ko talaga dito is yung insecurity. More on the insecurity na parang yung person niyo is wearing also a mask. I think that's the secret. Kasi na parang hindi nyo siya makita na weak or para hindi nyo makita yung mga flaws niya, di ba? This person is wearing a mask to show na strong siya, okay, na he or she has everything that you want in a person, di ba? Na sa totoo naman talaga, ikaw, ang nakikita ko dito naman na energy mo is okay lang naman siya, tatanggapin mo naman siya regardless kung ganito siya or not. Di ba? Parang mas gusto mo pa nga authentic yung tao. Mas gusto mo pa nga na very honest yung tao na, okay, ito ako, okay, and ikaw bahala kung tatanggapin mo ko or hindi. Parang for you, yun yung point of view mo. Pero syempre, being someone younger, parang hindi niya yung nakikita. Okay? So, tingnan natin ano yung detalye ng overall energy nito. At habang binabalasa ko ang cards, okay, gusto kong i-remind ang lahat, as always, na this is a collective reading. Lalo na I'm tapping the energy of Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius at the same time. So, it may or may not resonate sa lahat. So, kung hindi siya mag-resonate, huwag niyong pilitin. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko na sagap yung energy ninyo. At abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Okay? Baka yun ay mag-resonate na. O di kaya, pwede nyo panoorin yung mga past readings ko. Baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Dahil ang mga tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Okay? So, alright. Bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck. Tapos that would be yung detalye ng reading na to. Ay, dadagdag ko na rin pala na important talaga na nakasubscribe kayo para updated kayo sa mga susunod ko pang love readings. Okay? Saka kung gusto niyo na mas aligned or nakatutok sa energy niyo at sa person niyo yung reading, diba? It's best pa rin talaga to have a personal and private reading. Okay? Kung gusto niyo, nasa description box yung email address ko. Message na lang ako doon. And I'll provide you details. Magre-reply naman ako kung ano yung mga readings na pwede natin gawin. Okay? So, ayun. Mas okay pa rin talaga pag naka-personal and private reading kayo. And wag mag-rely masyado din sa collective reading. Kasi, but take what resonates, leave the rest. Alright? Sige. Simulan na natin. So, I'll get the third card as well. First card, Page of Pentacles. Second card, Three of Wands. Third card, see the moon ulit. The moon. Okay. Fourth card, Six of Cups. Fifth card, Nine of Cups. Ang puno ng emosyon. Sixth card. Six of Pentacles. Seven card. Page of Cups na naman. Page of Cups. Okay. And last card. Six of Swords. Okay. So, mostly Cups. May Pentacles. Walang Wands. But, yeah, nag-resonate. Nag-double confirm si Moon. Nag-double confirm si Cups. So, yun talaga yung energy na nangyayari between you and your person. Okay? And bottom of the deck, see, Two of Wands. Dito lang siya lumabas. See, Wands. Okay. So that's what you don't see coming and what you have to do. Okay, so interpret na natin. Okay? Page of Pentacles to Six of Swords. Very young talaga energy, but there's really a long-term potential between you and your person. Okay, as shown here with the Page of Pentacles, which is very faithful and loyal naman sa inyo tong tao na to. Marami lang siyang mga insecurities as we move forward dito, fast forward kay the Moon, na nandun talaga. At nakaka-apekto to yung insecurities niya sa maganda sanang dynamics ng connection ninyo, ng relationship ninyo. Okay? Dito sa Three of Wands, nakikita dito na parang there's a lot of romance. Sobrang and very romantic din tong tao ninyo. Yun nga lang, okay, sa Three of Wands, nandun pala, Wands. Sabi ko kanina walang Wands. Pero Three of Wands is gusto din naman nito, parang ginagawan din naman niya ng paraan na ma-resolve yung or maalis yung mga insecurities na meron siya. Okay, aware siya. Nakikita ko dito na aware siya. And it's in his or her desire na maalis yung mga insecurities na yun. Because Three of Wands is a card of taking action on what's really going on. Lalo na yung mga kailangan ng decision or kailangan gawa ng action. So, and it's pointing here dun sa insecurities talaga nung person. Alright? So, na-mention ko na yung sa Moon, mas nakita ko talaga dito, mas nag-double confirm na nga na itong person, yung secrets, hindi siya secret na negative Hindi siya yung parang, oy, may nililiham ka sa akin, meron kang iba, meron kang ginagawang hindi kaaya-aya, hindi ganun. Yung secrets dito sa the Moon or what they're trying to conceal or hide is yun nga, yung mga insecurities nila and yung flaws na may fear sila kasi na baka pag nakita mo yung mga flaws na yun, di ba? Hindi mo na sila magugustuhan or hindi mo na sila matatanggap sa life mo or hindi mo na sila mamahalin. Gets? May ganun silang fear. So, even yung insecurities sa physical, for example, ayan, may physical traits sila na parang akala niya hindi mo naman magugustuhan, pero sa'yo okay lang naman. Okay? So, that's parang dun yung root or yun yung pinaghuhugutan ng person ninyo. Kaya medyo, siya, parang maingat siya. Okay? Maingat siya na ma-expose yun. Ma-expose yung mga insecurities niya or yung mga flaws niya sa'yo. Kasi gusto ko nitong tao na to. And may tendency siguro tong tao din na to na nakikita ko na may pagka people pleaser siya. Okay. And siguro nagre-root siya din talaga sa mga uh, inner child wounds niya. Kaya nangyayari yun. But, okay, so si Six of Cups here. Okay? So, as shown here by the Six of Cups na talagang tama. Yung Six of Cups kasi something then from the past. Although sa image na to, it comes as a surprise from the past. But here, relating to the moon kasi na, yeah, like I mentioned, na this is, may pinanggalingan siya sa past. May mga pinaghuhugutan siya sa nakaraan, kaya niya nafe-feel to at the present moment na mahal ka niya, ayaw ka niya mawala. So, parang naging option niya is not to be truthful about or not being authentic or his or her real self. Kasi kala niya, pag ginawa niya yun, di ba, iiwan mo siya. Yes. But here's a Six of Cups, then nakikita ko that very comfortable kayo. Gusto mo rin siya. And you want this person, now that you're aware of what's going on, now given this, if this is resonating, na you want your person to heal. Kasi ma-heal yung inner child niya, ma-heal yung mga nag-cause nung mga insecurities na yun. Kasi sobrang mahal mo rin naman tong tao na to. Tanggap mo siya sa lahat ng mga sa buong pagkatao niya, tanggap mo siya. Okay? So, yeah. And here's a Nine of Cups. Okay? So, si Nine of Cups is being contented. Kontento ka. Pero hindi niya nakikita kasi yun. Kasi nga, mas napapangunahan siya ng fear. And yung na parang baka pag nakita mo to about him or her, iwan mo siya, nakikita ko nga parang may avoidant tendencies to tao na to eh. But, dito sa Nine of Cups, okay, na happy ka sa kanya, contented ka actually sa kanya, and for you, this person is giving you happiness din naman. And sa Six of Pentacles, as shown here naman na lalo na nakakabit siya kay Nine of Cups. Six of Pentacles is you're giving naman the love without asking na, oh, ito yung kailangan mong gawin, ganyan, di ba? Saka, for me, yung reciprocation, parang may tendency nga din tong person na to na parang, okay, para hindi mo makita yung flaws ko, I'll really parang overgive or overcompensate. Diba? When it comes to reciprocation, parang tumotodo o sumasobra sa what's just needed din naman. Kasi nga, to avoid na makita mo yung flaws. Gets? Parang this person overgives, so parang siyang may avoidant and anxious attachment tendencies to. So, nakalimutan ko yung tawag dun eh. Yung pag pareho kang meron. Okay. Nung tendencies na yun. Pareho kang parang anxious and avoidant at the same time. Okay. Hindi ko maalala yung term. So, baka mamaya babalik. But, yeah. So, and again, nag-double confirm lang si Page of Cups na this is a young energy. Okay. Very alam mo yun, yung age difference din talaga is there's a parang nagko-contribute din siya dun sa dynamics ng relationship. But I can see here naman, like, lumabas kasi si Six of Swords. So, si Six of Swords is, is a card of surrendering, accepting, and just trusting that everything will be alright. So, itong person mo talaga ang nakikita ko dito. Support this person. Allow this person to heal. Parang be there for this person. Join him or her sa journey niya in healing. Okay, mas ma-appreciate niya yun. And para ma-let go na niya yung whatever, yung mga, yung past, whoever he or she is in the past, ma-let go na niya yun at mag-transform siya into someone na mas secure, okay, and mas accepted yung buong pagkatao din niya para mas maging authentic at maging totoo siya towards you. Okay? And dito, na you don't see coming is the Two of Wands kasi. So, Two of Wands is a card of decision and taking risks. So, this person, if mahal ka niya talaga, he or she has to really take risk din. And part of you din, ikaw, you're also taking risk din, di ba? Na to be with this person na hindi niya pa kaya na maging buong buo or maging super 100% true sa'yo. Okay? Pero it's a risk that both of you should take. Sa kanya, he or she must take the risk of, diba, talagang totally maging all out and maging open and maging totoo sa'yo for the relationship to work. Okay? So, sana nakatulong itong reading na to. Bago ko i-close yung reading, bubunot ako ng isang card from this oracle deck that will be the advice ng universe sa inyo. So, tingnan natin. Third card, Sage. Okay. So, si Sage is a card of reflection, understanding, and wisdom. Okay? So, meaning, nakikita ko dito, first sa wisdom, parang sinasabi ni universe kasi is, you being the more mature, diba, mas experienced, mas may wisdom ka na, mas alam mo na kung paano din i-navigate yung relationship na mas maayos, mas makakatulong ka pa nga talaga dun sa growth and healing ng person mo, lalo na mahal mo siya, diba? So, let your wisdom also guide you and guide your person dun sa relationship ninyo. Okay? And, sinasabi din dito that you have to be more understanding sa person mo, lalo na ngayon na pinagdadaanan niya. Kasi, hindi na naman din niya, sa totoo lang, yung may mga attachment styles na avoidant, anxious, and those na having both. Ayun, fearful avoidant. Naalala ko na, diba? So, those with those not secure attachment styles, may pinanggagalingan yun. Okay? And you really have to be more understanding dito sa tao na to. Because with your understanding, okay, mas makikita mo din talaga yung point of view nila. Alright? And it's really time to reflect on this. Reflect. First, why you need to reflect? Kasi parang sinasabi din dito ni universe na you need to reflect. Like Two of Wands din. Diba? It's a choice. It's a card of choice. A card of reflecting yung yung situations for you to be able to make the right choice. Okay? Kasi, syempre, para sa sarili mo rin, di ba? Kung itong tao na to, parang would be like that forever. Also, you have to reflect, is this the relationship that you want to be in for a long term? Or, yeah, so it's a two-way thing naman kasi. Okay, so sana nakatulong itong reading na to. At kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading dito lang sa aking channel. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat!